Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to draw a very famous cartoon character Dora. So let's start drawing. First of all, I am drawing the hairline of Dora. Okay. Okay. So I have drawn the hair. Dora have short hair. Now I am going to draw her face. Now I'm going to draw her eyes. She has big eyes. Now the mouth. Okay, so face of Dora is ready. Draw the neck. Now I am drawing her t-shirt as she used to wear a pair of t-shirt and half pants. So I am drawing her t-shirt. Now we'll draw her pants. Now draw her legs. Okay, now I'm going to draw her backpack. She usually she usually carries a bag of purple color. This is her backpack. Now we'll draw the hands. Another hand. Okay, so our drawing is complete. Now start coloring it. To color it, I am going to use crayons. As Dora's hair are of brown color, so I am doing brown color in hair. Okay, so I have colored her hair. Now I am going to color her eyes. Her eyes are also of brown color. Just color them. Okay. Now I am going to use skin color in her face and in her hands. Just color it with skin color. Okay, so I have colored the face. Now color the hands. So I have colored the hands also. Now color the neck. And now the legs. Now color the t-shirt with pink color crayon. Okay, so I have colored the t-shirt. Now color her pants with orange crayon. Okay, now I'm going to color the backpack with purple color. Now color her socks with yellow color. Now color her bracelet. I'm going to color the flower with yellow color and the beads with pink color. With pink color. And now make the cheek. Now I am using some black color in her hair to make them more precise. So friends, our Dora drawing is ready. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.